Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students. A happy morning to all, right? Now I'm going to discuss exercise 4.4, that is quadratic equation, the second Roman letter, right? It's a very interesting exercise, right children? Now you see, find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots, right? We gave a condition, right? That I'm going to recall again. You have to listen carefully, children. Discriminant. What it is? It is a quadratic formula. Discriminant is nothing but b square minus 4ac. Then three things are there. b greater than 0. The roots are, recall what are the things we want, right? The roots are real and unequal or distinct. Already I discussed the same. This formula we call it as Sridharacharya formula, right? You never ever forget this because our correspondent name, right? Sridharacharya formula or quadratic formula. Sometime they may ask solve using Sridharacharya formula. You don't think that different. It is a quadratic formula, right? B is equal to 0. What it is? The roots are real and equal. Very good. Who said that? Yeah. B less than 0. A boy or a girl? A girl participated. Next time I expecting from the boy side, right? The roots are what? Yeah, very good boy. The roots are imaginary. Equal participation I want, right? From the boy side as well as the girl side. Equal participation, right? Both are equal, no? Nowadays, right? Now, discriminant is greater than 0. The roots are real and unequal. Equal means the roots are real and equal. Less than 0 means the roots are imaginary. This and all you know very well, right? Here what it is given, I'm going to underline the format. What it is given? Two equal roots. What it is? Two equal roots. That means which condition is apt here? D is equal to 0, right? Given the roots are real and equal, which implies anyone. Very good. D is equal to 0. Which is, what is D? How to find D, right? What is your A? A equal to coefficient of x square. What is your B? Coefficient of x. What is your C? 3 constant, right? A, B, C. That is A x square plus bx plus C is equal to 0. That is your general format, right? You are relating the general to the given. You are relating the general to the given. The general I will write it here, right? Standard format. A x square plus bx plus C is equal to 0. You are relating the given to the general format, right? Now you people feel easy. You have to listen carefully. What are the things I'm saying? If you are attentive, you people will get good marks, right? You don't feel tough, right? Now, b square. What is b? B square minus 4ac equal to 0. K square minus 4 into 2 into 3, this is equal to 0. Now, k square minus 8, then what you will get? 24 equal to 0, which implies k square equal to 24, right? K is equal to, I told you, whenever you are taking square root, you should use plus or minus. Root 24, how I am going to write, you see, 4 into 6. You may ask 3 into 8, right? That is also correct. But square number I want. For that purpose, I selected 4 into 6, right? You may ask This 24 can be written as 2 into 12. Yes, correct. 3 into 8. That is also correct. Then 4 into 6. Here you have 4 as a perfect square. For that purpose, I took this result, right? Each and everything you have to be very careful. Then what is the square root of 4? 2. Root 6. Therefore, the values of k, two values you are getting, no? Values of k equal to 2 root 6, comma, minus 2 root 6. Suppose if you feel tough, you people should write up to this. That is also correct. Plus or minus root 24, right? You people are grown up, you are very studious, so you should write it pakka answer, right? The values of k equal to exact answer I need, right? K equal to 2 root 6, k equal to minus 2 root 6. Both the values are accepted, right? Now, what is the second part? Anyone you read out? Yeah, very good. I think you people are enjoying the session, right? Now you see second subdivision. What it is? Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Now I am going to make it as a quadratic equation. What it is? Which implies kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Here what is your A? A is k. What is your B? Minus 2k. If negative comes, you should take along with the symbol. What is your C? Constant. Everything you gathered, right? Then you are going to substitute it in the format. What format? B square minus 4AC, right? What it is? Given, here also they say, given the roots are equal, which implies d is equal to 0. What is d? D square minus 4ac equal to 0. B minus 2k the whole square minus 4 into k into 6 equal to 0, right? Now, what it is? Minus 2k square. What it is? 4k square minus. If you want, I will show the previous. Right, children? See here. Minus 24k minus 24k equal to 0. Already I discussed this. Right? Both the things are multiple of a same number. You can divide by the number. Here which is called which is common here? 4 is common. So use that and divide. What you will get? K square minus 6k equal to 0. Because it is a quadratic, you don't want to take 4k as common. You have to take only 4 as common. Then how to write this? K you should take it as common. K minus 6 equal to 0. Now k equal to 0, comma, k minus 6 equal to 0. K equal to 0, k equal to 6. Here I am going to reject one value. Why I am going to reject? Why I am going to reject? Any idea? Okay, whether it is correct or not, you don't bother. You have to say, you have to participate. K equal to 0 is rejected. Why I rejected this, children? If I substitute k equal to 0 in the format, you cannot get a quadratic equation. If you cannot get a quadratic equation, you cannot apply the quadratic formula, right? So k equal to 0 is rejected. Therefore, the value of k is or k equal to 6. If you want, I will explain here. What you arrived, you see, kx square minus 2kx, then plus 6 equal to 0. If you substitute k equal to 0, what you will get here? 0 minus 0 plus 6 equal to 0. It contradicts, right? So that you are rejecting for your understanding purpose, right? 6 not equal to 0, therefore k equal to 0 is rejected. When you substitute k equal to 6, what can you get? You have to factorize, right? Because k 0, so x square. If you want, I will write and show you. See here. 6x square minus 12x plus 6 equal to 0. Sum equal to minus 12. For your understanding purpose, I am doing this. Product equal to coefficient of x square and the constant 36. See here. X minus 6, x minus 6 equal to 0 divided by 6 divided by 6, right? Then what you arrive, you see x minus 1 into x minus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to 1, x is equal to 1. What it is given? That you arrived, because they said the quadratic equation have equal roots. Here also we arrived equal roots, right? Therefore, the value of k is 6 is 100% correct, right? I hope you people understood. Thank you, children. This one, your verification purpose, right? You don't want to do these things and all in your exam. For your understanding purpose, I am doing here. Right? You have to go through what I taught.